This is a small mango. So, okay everyone, today we have a lot of mango. So you can see this mango, yes, it's so good. Okay, let's start with me. Wow, do you see? Yeah, it's so good. And it's spicy. Yeah. So now we start together. Wow. Do you like it? I like it so much, and I eat every day and every morning. So it is my favorite fruit. Yes. So I never boring about it. Because I like it. This season is the mango fruit beer. Yes. So now we start to eat together. Let's start with me. Okay. So. Wow! Wow! It's so good. Yes. Okay. We start with the straw. Okay. The straw mix with the I don't know, but it's so good. It's very good. Oh, so sorry. It's my mistake. That's no problem. No problem. This is a small mango. Oh, it's so good. can I eat all this mango? I want to say no, because it is a lot of mango. So I can eat only can eat only a few mango fruit. I cannot eat a lot of, but I just show you about the mango tree. It's my home. I have a lot of mango, yes. I have 2, 3, 4, 3 mango tree. Yeah. So, but the fruit is so many fruits. Like I show you on the beginning of my video. Yes. I hope everyone enjoy my video, and so if you hungry, if you want to eat the mango, please go to the market or go to take from your mango tree. Yes, right? Ayo. I cannot eat a lot of salt, just a little bit. Its taste is not sour, just a little bit of sour. Sour, yeah. This mango is sweet a little bit, sweet and sauce. Yeah. So we can eat a lot, and when it's real, we can eat a lot of mango. Yes. But if it's still young, it's still like this, we can eat a little bit, because if we eat a lot of mango fruit, it will make my teeth is cannot eat anymore.